Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about BCG Limited, Brighting Home Limited. So last 2 days back I updated one video. So on that day very clearly I told that it will open in upper circuit and in the by second half it will hit lower circuit. I specified, and the consolidation also I told you in that video. So if you watch the video you can see here. So the it was posted on 10th of June. You can see here the same video, this video. So in that video very clearly I told that on that particular day when it was trading at 13.35, the next day was opening was 14.11 was the opening. I told you very clearly that it will open at upper circuit, then it will 5% upper circuit, then it will fall. So I told, and also I told you that 2 days lower circuit will be continued, and after that the rally will be started from here. So it's a trap actually, and today it is a great news which was came. So we are going to discuss that. So what will be the trading pattern tomorrow? So that means on Monday in the morning, early morning, you can see here. So right now it is trading at 13.30, and the Monday early morning it will open in lower circuit and it will hit upper circuit by second half, and the rally will be continued as I told you before. You can see in the same way the rally will be continued in 5% circuit. So this will be locked upper circuit, and this will reach the target of 20 as I told you before. So this will reach our target, short term target of 20 is our short term target, and long term target what I was given is 50. And also I told you very clearly that the stock is having potential to reach up to 100 level. So now we are going to discuss about the this thing, that means the latest news. Before that, let us see the trading what happened on last Friday. So then only we can describe what will happen on Monday. So Monday, as I told you, it will open in lower circuit, and the second half this will hit on upper circuit, and the rally will be continued there. So you can see here 63 lakh shares are traded on Friday. So out of that 79% taken delivery, that means 50 lakh shares are taken delivery only in BSE. You can see here the delivery volume. That means 70% they were taken delivery on this massive volume. And while we are coming to the NSE, you can see here it was closed in lower circuit, but you can see here they were taken almost 1 crore shares taken delivery. You can see here total 1.6 crore shares are traded. Out of that 61% they were taken delivery. While we are coming to the latest news and development in BCG Limited, you can find that there are two major announcements. First one was the financial result which is going to be announced on 26th of June, and the second one is the postal ballot notice. So this is a postal ballot notice which was announced yesterday. The purpose of e-voting is employee stock option scheme 2021, and you can see the other one is employee stock option scheme 2021, and grant employee stock option to employees for the company's subsidiaries under the scheme. And the other one is you can see here authorization to Brighton Home Group employees welfare and ESOP benefit trust for secondary acquisition. So the third one is provision of interest-free loan to by the company for purchase of its own shares by the trustee on for the benefit of employee for the company of company employees of subsidiaries under the Brighton Home Group employee stock option 2021 scheme. So this will make a major sense in coming days. That means the company employees will be able to buy the stock, and also company's reserve fund also will be utilized to buy the shares from secondary market. So this will that means it will reduce the free floating shares in the market. So this will be a good news. I told you before, if you are holding BCG Limited, please hold it, please don't sell it, because the rally will be continued on coming days, and our short term target will be 20. So please don't leave BCG Limited. If you are holding, please hold it. The rally will be continued from here. And Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips.